Samsung Push service runs in the background on most Samsung phones, but many users don't know what it actually does. Some find it useful, others find it annoying. Here's a clear, no-fluff breakdown. What is Samsung Push Service app? Samsung Push Service is a built-in system app that sends notifications for Samsung's own services and apps. It works as a central delivery system, so each Samsung app doesn't need to check for updates separately. It can deliver system alerts, app updates, Samsung account messages, offers, and promotions. It does not control notifications for WhatsApp, Instagram, or other Google apps. What does it actually do? When enabled, Samsung Push Service can show pop-up alerts, add notification badges on Samsung apps, send messages in the notification bar, push system updates, and promotional offers. In simple words, it acts as a bridge between Samsung services and your phone. Common issues users face. Many users report unwanted promotional notifications, background battery drain, mobile data usage, app turning back on after updates, no option to fully uninstall. How to disable Samsung Push Service? You usually cannot fully uninstall it, but you can disable everything important. Method 1. Turn off notifications. Go to Settings, open Apps, search Samsung Push Service, tap Notifications. Turn all notifications off. This stops alerts completely. Method 2. Restrict background data. Open Samsung Push Service, tap Mobile Data. Turn off. Allow background data usage and allow data usage while data saver is on. This prevents hidden data drain. Method 3. Disable the app. Open Samsung Push Service, tap Disable, confirm. If Disable is missing, your phone treats it as a core system app. To learn more, check out our full post. Link in the description. If you actively use Samsung services, keep it. If you only use WhatsApp, Instagram, and Google apps, turn it off safely. Disabling notifications and background data is the best balance.